Hey YouTube, Joshua C here. As you guys can see, I've been quite busy. I'm trying to organize all my stuff. I have a lot more stuff, but the purpose of this video is I got a comment regarding if the head is reversible with respect to the handle. So let's get into it. What you're going to need for this particular case, I have an FLF80 and this FLF80A. This is from 2016, and what I'm going to do is remove this fastener. I'll get back to you when I do that. Alright, so now that the fastener is removed, you guys can study this. So here, with respect to the script running left to right, on the left side you will see a recess with an appropriate lock washer, which in this case functions as a tensioning for the joint. Let me pull this off. Oh my goodness, come on. I greased it up. Oh goodness, okay, I'll get back to you when I remove this. Alright, what a challenge that was. Oh my goodness. Okay, so getting back so you guys can see, when we locate on the left, you'll see a relief cut here, and on the right is a plain side. Okay, so correspondingly, here we have on the left side a plain side, and we have a threaded portion. Now the appropriate way to assemble it is to have, the fastener can only go one way. It has a relief cut for the shoulder of the actual fastener, and obviously the threaded portion, so that can only go in one way. But upon looking at it, I don't think there's any reason for it not to be installed reversed, so I'm going to do that right now. And just proof of concept, as you guys can see, you can put this in backwards. Obviously we're not questioning how practical this is, because this is obviously, how do I say this, nonsensical to a degree, but there it is. So you can put it in backwards. Here, to actually give a noteful anecdote, if you guys have an older breaker bar, you can actually install these modern heads, or if you have like an older model like a F841, you guys could look that up, or like just any other old style, or even the oxygen sensor. If you have like the oxygen sensor, like the SWR1, I believe you guys check down in the description with a bent handle, you could actually put this ratchet head. Like I said, I'm not questioning how rational this is. I'm only doing this just to an exercise in the proof of concept that you can put this on. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up. You guys comment, like, subscribe, and share, and you guys take care.